Hello everyone, welcome back to day 14 of my 365-day journey to Germany. Today's lesson was exciting because I learned how to use transportation in German. If I want to study, work or travel in Germany, I know I'll need buses, trains and the subway almost every day. So let's see what I learned today. I started with some important transportation vocabulary like dear Zug, dear Zug. That means train. Dear bus. Dear bus. That means bus. Die Straßenbahn. Die Straßenbahn. That means tram. Die U-Bahn. Die U-Bahn. That means subway. Die Fahrkarte. Die Fahrkarte. That means ticket. And der Bahnhof. Der Bahnhof means train station. These are some of the first words I'll need after arriving in Germany. Next, I learned useful question for traveling like Wo ist der Bahnhof? Wo ist der Bahnhof? That means where is the train station? Where is the train station? Next, Wo ist die Bushaltestelle? Wo ist die Bushaltestelle? That means where is the bus stop? Next, wann fährt der Zug? Wann fährt der Zug? That means when does the train leave? This question can help me ask for direction or plan my journey. Then I practice buying a ticket like Ich möchte eine Fahrkarte nach Berlin. Ich möchte eine Fahrkarte nach Berlin. That means I would like a ticket to Berlin. I would like a ticket to Berlin. Next, hin und zurück bitte. Hin und zurück bitte. That means round trip please. Next, we feel kostet das. We feel kostet das. That means how much does it cost? These are practical phrases that I can use as a ticket counter or train station. I also practice a short conversation like the person is say Entschuldigung, wo ist der Bahnhof? Entschuldigung, wo ist der Bahnhof? That means excuse me, where is the train station? The person B replies, Geradius und dann links. Geradius und dann links. That means straight ahead and then left. Straight ahead and then left. And person A replies, vielen Dank. Vielen Dank. That means thank you very much. And the person B replies, gern geschehen. Gern geschehen. That means you are welcome. This simple conversation helped me imagine asking for help in Germany. Today's lesson reminded me that learning German is not just about passing an exam, it's about becoming confident enough to live independently. Knowing how to ask for direction or buy a ticket might seem small, but this skill make everyday life much easier. I know today's lesson was short, but it's day for complete. Today I learned transportation vocabulary, useful travel question, and my first travel conversation in German. Easy lesson bring me one step closer to my dream of living and doing an Ausbildung in Germany. Tomorrow I learn how to talk to a doctor in German and continue preparing for real life situation. Thank you for learning with me. See you tomorrow. Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen.